Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started lying down on our backs. Make sure you get really comfortable and let's close our eyes. I want you to start by releasing any tension that you might feel in your body. Anywhere that you feel yourself clenching up, tensing up, I want you to let it all go. And now let's take a full body scan, just scanning our bodies to see where we can relax a little bit more. Start to bring some awareness into your forehead. Begin to move your eyebrows up and down a little bit. Wiggle your forehead around. And now relax all of the muscles in your forehead. And now you bring some awareness into your jaw, unclenching your jaw. Maybe opening and closing your mouth a few times or shifting your jaw from side to side, making a few faces, and then letting your jaw and your cheeks completely relax. Begin to move your shoulders away from your body, maybe opening your arms a little bit wider. You can even take some movement with the arms and the hands, maybe wiggling the fingers or balling the fist up, and then you let your arms relax next to your sides. Shift the awareness into your belly now, really taking some deep breaths and taking your time with your deep breaths. Let's bring the awareness into our lower body, relaxing your glutes, maybe opening your legs a little bit wider, moving the feet around, maybe cracking the feet, wiggling the toes. And now you let your feet flap open and relax. You relax your legs. Relax your belly, relax your fingers and your hands, relax your arms and your shoulders, relax your jaw and your forehead. Let's take a deep breath, breathing in through our nose, filling our bellies up with air. And now let it out through your mouth. Again, let's take a deep breath, breathing in through our nose, expanding our lungs. Take one more sip of air and let it out. And now I just want you to take some deep breaths in and out through your nose, relaxing your body. Your nervous system is calming down. Let your eyelids get heavier. Let your body relax. There's nothing to do. There's nowhere to be. Imagine yourself floating and relaxing and releasing. Imagine yourself resting. Let's end our meditation by taking a few deep breaths. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. Again, we take our final deep breath, breathing in through our nose and let it out through your mouth. I hope that you are feeling relaxed, and I know you'll have a great night's sleep. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.